Good evening, my friends. Good night to all my friends, and good morning also to my friends. So, today, my name is Aditya Kumar Singh. I am a member of the CIPL, and I am just want to discuss the topic is back to the basic. What is a back to the basic? First of all, know about it. What is back to the basic? Back to the basic is a educational movement and a circular stressing a return of American public schools in fundamental core curriculum based on the English, mathematics, science, and history. It is so-called educational fields such as home economics and other personal improvement courses launched in the 1970s. It wrote line in the early 20th century essentialism movement that educator William and Charles Beckley developed in opposition to the develop the progressive education, a movement of John Dewey. Back to the basic, advocates would be reinstitute the strict classroom discipline and the student little or no choices over the students. Courses they would be studying. All, though there are widespread difference which courses considered the required basic, they generally include those provide basic academic skills such as reading, writing, spelling, punctuations, and formanships, and a range of circular regulations, calculations, skills, history and civics, biology, history, and physics. Some back to the basic educates also include must art in their suggest core curriculum. The proponents of the back to the basis is to be also condemn educations and cafeteria style and circular of other students wider choice of personal improvement uh, courses such as human personal such as media studies. Back to the basics, proponents also call for eliminations of the general education track in which 25% credit earned for the physical and health educations. So as it is, it's a simple things that based to back to the basics means back means we should be also revise our basic steps of our startup or any plan you are going to do in your life, because it is very important if you are working for any circularisms. For example, I'm going to be going to be startup. So what is the requirement? So I should be go through it the basics of all things. Back to the basic, it's why important, because every company needed or every entrepreneur needed about it. What is the basic rules and regulation of the company that is the requirement for the all the employee of the company, or the basics that new candidate candidate or candidates are going to be involved in our company. That's a very important. They will be involved in a company and they will get the fascinated ideas. So thank you so much, friends. I hope you all understand what I am telling to you, and thank you so much.